Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. So now we start from the 7th house to 12th house Rahu placement. Don't consider Rahu as exalted or debilitated, just consider the placement of the Rahu in your birth chart. So let's talk about 7th house. If you have a Rahu in 7th house, you may get married with another cultural girl or man. If Rahu is in 7th house, your daily income not stable, you may settle in foreign land, and there is a strong chances you may marry in foreign land with another culture spouse. Your spouse must be from the another culture, and but you have a very good relationship with that spouse. If she or he belongs to another culture, then if they belongs to same culture, yeah, same religion, your marriage life is not successful, because Rahu is 7th house is not going to give you fruitful marriage life if you marry in the same culture. And if you marry in the outer culture, like you born in India and your spouse is from American or Canadian, from another religion, your marriage life will be excellent, and you will settle in foreign land, and you will enjoy lot of comforts in foreign land. 7th house Rahu will give you lot of success in foreign land. You will get name, fame, prosperity, lot of earning, but in foreign land, not at your birth land. If you living in your birth land, then there is strong chances to 2 marriages in your birth chart if Rahu is in 7th house. Now I'm going to talk about Rahu is in 8th house. If Rahu placement is in 8th house, you must involve in any type of occult science, tantra, mantra, or you may become a very good tantric, or you may become a very good astrologer. You may learn lot of astrological books. Your research is linked with your knowledge is linked with research. You need to know everything, what is the meaning of astrology, numerology, what is the meaning of tantra, mantra, sadhana. And if Rahu is in 6th house, this is not very good position, but in the terms of learning astrology, learning occult science will be a very good. You have a great sense of humor, but Rahu is in 8th house will give you lot of health issues. You may have problem related to lower part of your stomach and backbone related trouble, nervous system related trouble. 7th house Rahu is not very 8th house Rahu is not very comfortable in the terms of your health. Your health is always up and down, and you are not living a happy life related to your health if Rahu is in 8th house. Now I'm going to talk about Rahu is in 9th house. If Rahu is in 9th house, your fortune is always up and down. You will see lot of up, lot of down in your career. Sometime you are sky high, sometime you are down. Sometime you earn lot of money and people are appreciating you, and sometime you are zero and people are start leg pulling behind you. Rahu is in 9th house is not going to give you the one type of fortune. Rahu is give you the fortune up and down. Your fortune, your kismat is always up and down. You are not satisfied from your performance. You don't know how to trust other. People are trying to cheat you if Rahu is in 9th house, because your bhagya is hemmed between Rahu Ketu. But again, if you living in far place from your birth land, if you living in foreign land, if you marry in foreign land, if you start any business in foreign land, you will get success a lot. You will earn lot of money, name, fame, prosperity. Your good fortune started smile for you if you're living in far away place. So Rahu is in 9th house will give you lot of struggle at your birth land, lot of hurdles, delay in major events of your life like marriage, buying property or education. If Rahu is in 9th house and you are living in your birth land, you never get success. If Rahu is in 9th house and you are living in a far away place from your birth land, you will definitely get name, fame, prosperity, and you will have a great relationship with your friends. They are linked with a higher authority. So now I'm going to talk about Rahu placement in 10th house in Upchaya Bhav. It's a wonderful placement of Rahu. You may become a very good politician, you may become a successful businessman, you may become a successful minister, you will earn a lot of money. You will earn a lot of money in 1 number and 2 number as well. You will have lot of savings. You will get name, fame, prosperity in your profession. There is strong chances you may start your own business, and your business will be flourish a lot. Rahu is in 10th house is very comfortable. You may involve in government job as well. If Rahu is in good position and not hemmed between any benefic planet, If Rahu is alone in 10th house, you will definitely in government job. Rahu is in 10th house, you will earn money from multiple source. After hard work, you will earn lot of money, name, prosperity. And relationship with your father is not very promising. You don't have a good relationship with your father or grandfather. Tie up of your father and grandfather is not very promising. Now I'm going to talk about Rahu placement in 11th house in again Upchaya Bhav. It's a wonderful placement. You will earn money from multiple source of earning. You may invest your money in a lot of business, and you may earn money from job as well as business. If Rahu is in 11th house, your friends they belongs to rich family. If Rahu is in 11th house, you have a large circle of friends. If Rahu is in 11th house, you have a contact with higher authority, and they will always ready to support you. You may become a very good minister. You may become a very good politician. If Rahu is in 11th house, your relationship with your elder siblings is not very promising. 11th house Rahu will give you lot of multiple source of earning, and you will enjoy a lot of benefits in life. Your all desires and wishes will be fulfilled. Now I'm going to talk about Rahu placement in 12th house. If you have a Rahu in 12th house, you will definitely settle in foreign land. There is no doubt. You will get PR, you will get work permit, you will easily get PR compared to other people, because Rahu is in 12th house. You will live your life in a very fair and illusion during Rahu Mahadasha if you live in your birth land. You may marry with a foreigner girl or foreigner boy if Rahu is in 12th house. Rahu is a planet which is far away from reality, and if you live in your birth land, you are always getting confused and disturbed. Don't start any business if you live at your birth land and Rahu is in 12th house. And if you are in foreign land, you must start your own business. You will get success, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts, money, fame, prosperity, and you will get PR very easily. You may get work permit very easily. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.